How to remove time after date in Excel. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first, open your Excel and the sheet you want to edit. Then after that, simply select the column or the cells where you have inserted date and time. After that, tap on Ctrl F and then go to replace. Then after that, give a space bar and then add an asterisk. Then tap on replace. After that, as you can see, the time is set to 00 now and done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.